Now see the program on fixed positioning. Okay, how to create the program? For that, open Notepad++ or any editor which you have. Type the code, exclamatory sign, doc type HTML, then HTML tag, head tag, style tag, then paragraph selector P, and we are using a fixed position. So here I am giving the name as fix to the class selector, and properties position, value of position is fixed, then top equal to 50 pixels, then right having 5 pixel, and color to the text, color as blue. End of style, end of head, then body tag, paragraph tag P. This is paragraph 1, end of P. Second, this is paragraph 2, end of P. This is paragraph 3, end of P, and now we are using the class selector for the next paragraph. So here we are using P space class as attribute and value of class, that is fixed, and then the content. This is the fixed paragraph. Okay, end of P, end of body, end of HTML. Now save this program. Here we can save this program into a desktop location. Here you will give the name to the program as fixed.html and click on save. The program is saved. Now for output, click on run, select the location. We know that the program is saved on a desktop, so go on to a desktop location and select the fixed. Okay, here run this program and now see the output. You can see this is a paragraph 1, okay, this is a paragraph 2, and this is a paragraph 3. Okay, now one more paragraph we have used in our program which contains, this is the fixed paragraph. Okay, and the fourth paragraph which we have taken into a program that comes before the paragraph 3. You can see the text of the fourth paragraph comes here before the paragraph 3. Why this will happen? So here this comes because of this paragraph selector having position fix. Okay, and this will contain the value top as a 50 px and right as a 5 px. Okay, and because of that, this fourth paragraph will come to this location. Now this is the 5 pixel shifted from the right, and here it is at the 50 pixel from the top. Now you can just see the change, how this paragraph will change the location or will change the position. I am again coming to the source code and just change the values. Here 150 and here 35 pixels for the right, and I am just clicking on a save and coming on the web browser window. By refreshing this program, we see the change. Now see, right now we have the 4th paragraph here in this location. Okay, by clicking on refresh button, this location will get changed. Okay, so we get the paragraph from the top at 150 location and from the right at 35 pixel locations.